Kebakaran hutan tanah gambut.
More serious in handling the haze that
terjadi di negeri jiran Malaysia dan memburuk.
Hi, my name is Nur Aisha binti Muhammad Nafia.
Hi, my name is Nur Aisha binti Muhammad Resdan.
Hi, my name is Syafiqah binti Saripudin and we are from Sekolah Menengah Sains Tengku Muhammad Faris Petra.
Greetings and hi everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about our project which is monitoring of moisture on peat soil. But before that, have you guys ever heard about the word peat soil fire before? If you guys want to know, peat soil fire is one of the main cause of haze. But there is still no action taken to overcome this problem. People still using the old way to put out the fire. This takes a lot of time and energy as peat soil fire burns in the ground. Our team has designed a system to prevent peat soil fire from happening, and they're introducing the Peat Soil Moisturising System. Peat soil is an accumulation of partly decayed vegetation or organic matter. Dry peat soil is said to have the same characteristic of a dry wood, which means it is highly flammable. The article How to Stop Peatland becoming fuel for haze-causing fires that took Malaysia from the start stated that dry peat soil is extremely flammable, with over 90% of fire that cause annual haze in Brunei, Indonesia, Malaysia and also Singapore. Thus, the burning on dry peat soil can result to a massive fire, causing the fire difficult to be extinguished and causes haze. As we all know, the peat soil fire in Dungun Terengganu recently has affected over 4 hectares of land at first and increased to 5 hectares in no time. It also involved over 31 firemen to put out the fire. This is because peat soil fire starts from the ground where watering does not reach the layer. Other than that, a lot of time and manpower is needed to put out the fire. Hence, in order to curb all those problems, we came up with a peat soil moisturising system which have a huge potential to save our Mother Earth. The system is designed to detect the moisture content of peat soil and keep the soil moisturized. To conclude, the peat soil moisturising system will prevent peat soil fire and curb haze in Malaysia.
Well, hello there. Now let's talk about the objective of this peat soil moisturizing system. As you guys already know, this system was created to prevent peat soil fire from happening. But why? This issue has become the concern of many people as it leaves a big impact on the environment and society. As mentioned before, dry peat soil is extremely flammable and peat soil fire is hard to extinguish, which will lead to the occurrence of haze. So, at the same time, we want to curb the haze that is caused by this problem by using our peat soil moisturising system. Other than that, we can explore a better and effective way to manage peat soil fire, as we can't take this issue lightly after all the problems that we have faced. Finally, it will provide a comfortable living environment to our society without any pollution. As we all know, a good environment brings good health. According to the journal Effect of Peat Fires on Soil Chemical and Physical Properties, a case study in South Sumatra, written by Sulaiman, Sari and Westhoff, stated that peat fires have been an annual environmental crisis in Indonesia. In 2015, large parts of the country peat were burned, impacting the health, education and livelihoods of millions of Indonesians. Other than that, the journal Beyond Slash and Burn, the roles of human activities altered hydrology and fuels in peat fire in central Kalimantan, Indonesia, stated that near-annual landscape-scale fires in Indonesia's peatlands have caused severe air pollution, economic losses, and health impacts for millions of Southeast Asia residents. Lastly, the journal Combustion and Thermal Characteristics of Peat Fire in Tropical Peatland in Central Kalimantan, Indonesia, stated that peat fires produce large amount of smoke and the deterioration in air quality because of the dense haze causes health problems seriously negatively affecting social activities, human health, and the peatland ecosystem as a whole.
In Malaysia, peat soil cover about 2.5 million hectares land, which is about 7.5% of our total land area. Certainly, peat soil need a proper management to prevent peat soil fire. This is because peat soil is very sensitive due to its natural properties and needs special care. For example, poor management of peat soil in Indonesia has caused the country to suffer from prolonged haze and loss of crops. Peat that has dried up and is not reversed will have the characteristic of dry wood. In other words, it is very flammable. Therefore, soaring peat soil temperature, it became a medium that triggered the fire in forest open burning.
Next, air pollution is now considered to be the world's largest environmental health threat, accounting for 7 million deaths around the world every year. A massive peat soil fire can lead to air pollution, thus causing a haze, which has been an ongoing problem in many countries in the Southeast Asia region, and Malaysia is one of the worst affected.
Lastly, this can cause serious health effects such as asthma, nasal irritation, lung infection, and conjunctivitis. Of course, the most at risk groups are senior citizens and children. So, in order to curb all those problems, we came out with the Peat Soil Moisturising System.
To begin the project, we had our group discussion on how we will build the system and how it will work in order to accomplish our objective. Along with it, we came up with a digital rough sketch based on group members' ideas compiled together. Then, we built the system and the Arduino program for the moisture sensor. Next, we'll run the test. Finally, this is our final model.
Let's know the components that build up the system. This is the water tank, water pump, battery, relay module, Arduino board, soil hygrometer sensor, dry peat soil, wet peat soil, and finally yet importantly, the moisture sensor, which is the main role of this system. Firstly, we use the moisture sensor to detect the moisture of both wet and dry peat soil. When the sensor is put into the dry peat soil, the monitor shows the reading 670 and below. Thus, water will be pumped to the dry peat soil. On the other hand, if the monitor reading reaches 670 and above, the soil is considered moist and water will not be pumped out.
From the experiment, it may be said that the peat soil humidity will trigger the sensor. As we can see, when the sensor is placed into dry peat soil, water will be pumped automatically to the soil. On the other hand, when the sensor is placed into wet peat soil, water will not be pumped out. This shows that the peat soil moisturizing system works as programmed and can be applied to our daily life to prevent peat soil fire. This peat soil moisturizing system have a huge market potential, especially towards farmers. This is because in Malaysia, peat soil is widely used in oil palm cultivation. So, it worth every penny to invest on the system as it can prevent peat soil fire. This is due to the loss that the farmers might face can cost more. Next, the system also environmental friendly and does not harm our Mother Earth. Lastly, less human energy will be used, whereas no human energy will be used later to put out the fire, as this peat soil moisturizing system can prevent peat soil fire.
Based on the results of the research and discussion described in previous section, it can be concluded that the peat soil moisturizing system is indeed a huge move to change our world. This system will bring more benefits to our daily life by reducing haze and improve our air quality. Hence, risk of getting respiratory disease can be reduced. For sure, our prototype system can support hectares of peatland. So, we plan to improve our system in the future by collaborating with other institutions to upgrade our system to be used at real peatland so that a better performance in the future can be ensured.